Hello, welcome to the another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you some of the tricks that you can apply on your iPhone or iPad which may help you a lot. You have to follow the simple steps to apply the features. Okay, first of all I want to show you how to reach at the top of the any content. If you are using any of the content like Safari, here I am using the Safari and I am browsing a content. So while I am at the last, and if I want to go to the first of the content, or if I want to go to the above the content, then we can simply click on the time where there is displayed at the top. If you click on the time, then you can directly reach at the top of the content or any content. Likewise here I am doing in the Safari. Likewise I am going to show you in the setting app also. Okay, you can see the setting web. Yeah, if I am at the end of the content or end of the setting, and if you want to go to the top of the setting, then you can just click on the time app, time. Okay, now this is the very useful tricks that you can apply for in your iPhone or iPad. Okay, now heading to the next. Now I am showing you how to import a contacts from your SIM card. If you are using a new iPhone, then if you don't have any contacts listed on here, yeah, you can see here is no any contacts. Now how to import the contacts from your SIM directly to your iPhone? Now go to the setting app first of all and go to the, here is the contact. Now you can see the add account or and also option like import SIM contact. If you click on the import SIM contact, you can directly import your SIM contacts to the iPhone. Now we can see, you can go to the phone app and contact. Here is a list of all the contacts. This is also one of the important tools or important tips for you guys. Okay, now if you want to type anything and if you want to undo the type, okay, if you are typing anything and you want to undo your typing, likewise in computer we can just click the Ctrl Z, and here we can also make the undo, or you can do the undo of any typing. Okay, now I am showing you how to undo the typing. Okay, if I type this and if I erase this, okay, yes, I have already erased this, but how to get the content that I have just typed in? So you can just do the shake your phone and you can see the undo typing. Okay, and if you click on the undo button, then you can just find the recently used or recently typed text in your iPhone. Just you have to shake your phone to undo your typing. Okay, if you undo it, then you can see I have written it there I later, and you can find the undo text. Okay, this one is the another third step. And last thing last, iPhone is a very powerful device also, and it consumes lots of battery power. So if we have to save our battery, then we have to turn off some of the features. Like I am going to show you some of the features which will help you in battery saving of your application or in your iPhone. Okay, first thing first, you have to turn off the background refresh of your app. You have to go to general, then here you can see the background refresh app. So here is lots of apps. Some of the apps are we don't want to use, like books. So lots of people are not using the book app, so we can turn off these functions. Like some may not use notes in the background, so we can turn off, like podcast, shortcuts, stocks, and like voice memos. Okay, these are the some of the background refresh app which will drain our battery in background. So we can turn off this application, so we can save our battery. And another thing, we can also turn off the location setting also, so that it can also saves our battery. Now go to the privacy. Where is privacy? Okay, here is the privacy. Now you can see the location service is on, so we have to enable just the application which we want to use, or which application will is useful for the location. Okay, now go to the system services. Okay, here I don't want to use the Apple Pay merchant identification because I don't have any Apple Pay. Okay, we can turn off. Okay, and we can also turn off the home kit. If you are not having the smart home kit or smart home, then you can just turn off the home kit app also. And also you can also turn off the improve map also, and you also turn on off the status by bar icon also. So if you don't need any of the application, so you can turn off the location for this application so that you can save your battery life. Okay, and the another thing, if you are not using the NFC or you don't have any wallet or any uh, NFC option, then you can just simply go to the general and turn off the NFC so that you can save your battery. Just go to the NFC. If you don't have any payment card key home enable, yeah, so you can turn off the NFC also, which may save your battery. Okay, you can turn off it. Okay, now go back. Now if you are using the high brightness, I am using the medium brightness so that it may help to save my battery. So use the minimum brightness. And another thing, if you are not using the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can completely turn off it through the setting app. If you just turn off from here, from the control center, then it will not completely turn off your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so that your battery will drain fast. So you have to go to the setting app and completely turn off the Wi-Fi and also the Bluetooth, so you can save your battery. And also you can also save the battery from the unwanted notification. So if you have turn on all the notification, then you can also turn off the notification from unwanted apps. Like you don't want to, if you don't use the game apps, or if you don't want to any game center, if you don't have any games, or if you don't want to use any game services, then just turn off the games notification. And if you are not using the smart home, also you can turn off the home section. And if you are not using any health related like Apple Watch, or if you are not using the health service, then also you can turn off the health application also, health notification as well. And if you are not using the iTunes store, you can turn off the iTunes. And another thing, if you are not using the like tips or screen time, yeah, tips, it is not so much useful for the iPhone user, so you can turn off the tips also, so that it may help to save your battery lives. Thank you guys for watching this. If this video may help you, then just like the video, subscribe the video, and comment the video if I have made any mistakes, or if you want any changes in further videos. So thank you guys.